district, both this district.
Shipai BSF kila Kular baga Jingshalan tu eka Shini badu Piat sya Bangladesh kan Duna. Na bakren bak kila patai kubor ne ke sngi u Inspector General IG jong ke BSF Meghalaya Frontier u Harbak Singh Dhilon u laong bakadon ke jing Duna jong kinong train namar ki daw bom lakiar bat menta ya kene ke jing e lala man penben. U la pentip ru ba kila dep banyatai hlo kene ke benta lembat u Menteri Rangba u sembut Menteri Rangba ke jela u Menteri ketnat ke Kampo Ieng Chief Secretary but ke DGP ringkat but ke Border Guards of Bangladesh lede BGB.
And given the conditions which due to which there was some depletion of the manpower due to the general elections, it's been made up and the sugar smuggling is bound to come down. It has already come down, but it's going to come down more. And this concern of the press which you are showing is good. Like we have already discussed with the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister. So with all these Chief Secretary, DG Police, we have discussed these issues in length. So some resolutions have been passed, some steps have been taken already.
Katnat Central Good